Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under Edexcel GCSE question paper. We are to show that 8 plus root 12 divided by 5 plus root 3 can be written in the form a plus root 3 or divided by b. So we are looking for a and b, where a and b are integers. So this is rationalization of what? Set. Because we are still having a set in the denominator which we need to clear. So we rationalize by multiplying both sides, the numerator and the denominator, by the conjugate pair of the denominator. But I can see that 12 can be reduced to a simplest form. So if I have 8 plus the root of 12, then 5 plus the root of 3, I can have root 12 to be a perfect square. What is the perfect square? That is 4. So I'll have 4 times the root of 3. When this multiply, it gives us root 12 back. But the root of 4 is 2. So this becomes 2 root 3. Meaning in place of this, I will be putting in 2 root 3. So that becomes 8 plus 2 root 3 divided by 5 plus the root of 3. So we know our conjugate pair is going to be the same term with the swap of a negative sign, which will be 5 minus the root of what? 3. So I'll multiply the top and the down by that set, meaning 8 plus 2 root 3 divided by 5 plus the root of 3 times, let's see, 5 minus the root of 3, 5 minus the root of 3. So the numerators are going to be multiplied by the same value, then the same value for the denominators. So now we are taking 8. 8 times 5, that will be 40. The 8 again will multiply negative root 3. So we have this. Anytime we are picking a rational to multiply irrational, the rational always stay in front, meaning it multiply whatever is in front of the root sign. So 1 is there. 1 times 8 will remain 8, so minus. Then this is 2 root 3 is multiplying 5. 5 is also rational, so it comes in front to give us 2, 5, 10 with the root of what? 3. Then this is going to be 2 times 1 root 3 times root 3. We know when you multiply 2 root 3, you get only 3. So 3 times 2 will give you minus 6. All divided by the conjugate pairs are only difference of 2 square. The first term square minus the second term square. So you only pick the 5 square minus the root of 3 all square. You can see difference of 2 square. First sum times second difference. So that is how we expanded that one. Then in the numerator, 40 minus 6. That would be 34, right? Then root 3. Therefore, we pick the coefficient. 10 minus 8. That would be 2 with the root of 3 divided by 25 minus 3. This is going to be root. We'll cancel the square, or this becomes root 3 times root 3. And that will be root 9. Right? Good. Root 9 is also 3. So we only pick 3 from here. So what am I going to do? Let's see. This can also be 34 plus 2 root 3 divided by, if I take away this from here, I'll be having 22, right? So 22. We can find common factors that can divide them. I know 2 can divide this, it can divide this, it can divide this. So if I rewrite this as 2 into bracket 17 plus the root of 3 divided by 2 times what? 11. 2, 11 give us 22. 17 times 2 give us this. 1 times 2 will give us this. So this will cancel this. So we'll be left with 8 plus root of 3, 5 plus root of 3 will just be 17 plus root 3 divided by what? 11. Where the A is going to be 17, the B is going to be 11 as the final answer. I'm sure where we are, you're able to follow through. Good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.